Hey guys, figured I'd make a little video of my roll-up door project here, show people in case they ever have to do it. This door here is 9 feet wide and 8 feet high. It's 21 years old. That's why I had to go with this kind of lift. The newer doors, that drum you see right there, it's towards the end and has grooves in it, so the new facet, the lifters, they go in the grooves and over the axle, and they actually spin that drum that turns the door up. This door isn't like that, so I couldn't use that. The other type was, it would go on the axle, you see right there, and that axle goes onto the lifter and it actually spins that bar, but there's not enough of that, it's sticking out either. The other kind would be you put a sprocket on there, but there's still ain't very, I'd have to extend that somehow, and I just said that's, you know, not what I want to do. So this door is a Chamberlain. It's the standard kit. I wonder, because everybody was telling me you might need the extension kit, but you don't. You don't need that 2-foot extension. Built a bracket for the back to hang off the wood studs. I kept it so it's 2 inches off the wood framing, and came down to the bottom. You can see right there, that's where it hooks onto the lifting bar. Had to make this little bracket and bolt it to the door. That's just a piece of old bed rail. It goes about not quite halfway across the door, and I bolted from the bottom and from the outside with carriage bolts, so when they blend right in. And then I just figured out how far I needed. I did blunder a little bit. I had to raise this up. You can see it goes up and over because there was a bolt down the bottom. Be careful when you put yours on that bolt's, the nut is towards the wall, not sticking out. It was sticking out, so I couldn't use it on this one, so I had to turn it around. It's actually the bolt that holds the pulley on the bottom where the cable rides on. That part was easy. Bolted to the floor, bolted it up to the lift up there, up to my bracket. Then you have to, before you do anything else, you got to hook your sensors up, which is right there, one on each side. It was pretty simple. I had to bring mine out a little bit so it would clear that lifting arm. They found each other right away. They start blinking, then they go solid color. You can see that green right there. Once they're solid color, that means they found each other and you're good to go. Putting it together was simple. I mean, it's really nothing hard about putting everything together. Like I said, that's just a standard garage door opener. And then there's another wire that takes you over to here. You see the little lift button. Push that and it goes up. You can see the lift going up, and it stops where you want it. Program was pretty simple. There's just a button on top you push, and then it starts blinking, and when you're good to go, you push the center button, it stops where you want, you set it, and it remembers everything. There's the bolt I was talking about. See, that bolt should have been turned around the other way, and I wouldn't have to worry about that arm sticking out so far, but hey, live and learn. First time I ever did this. The door goes up easy. Doesn't really, other than the door noise itself rolling up, it's no louder than it was when you did it by hand. Like I said, this door is 21 years old and it's held up. So if you have any questions about how to do anything, I hope this will help you out a little bit. Like I said, there's not a whole lot to it. It took me probably 2 hours tops to get everything. And there's a, you can see the lift from the bottom. And there's, if you look along the bottom there, you'll see the track where I bolted it on. So, easy peasy, like I said. Alrighty, talk to you later. Bye.